Now, here's an interesting story about two items. Did you know that the PSAT has trained a few of them to take part in their special operation? Yup, that's right. They are able to breath hold for up to 20 long minutes, and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy divers would be envious of. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Now, ladies, are you ready? Attention! Now let's march. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to ready, salute! Now guys, this time let's join our sea lion friends in the salute. In the count of 3, everybody please salute and count with us louder. Now let's start counting. 1,
2,
3, salute everybody. Thanks guys. Sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. Good job, Sandra. You two Yeti, you got your ring. And we got a crispy. Nice, yes, there's Sandra go. Okay, now I think we got a ball. And what are you going to do with that ball, guys? It's a ball balancing.
ang galing.
Great job, Yeti.
Uy, isa doon. Ang galing.
Easy there, Sandra girl. Great job. Amazing. How about a big round of applause for Yeti and Sandra? Great job there, lady. So, gotta move on. Okay, now, Adrian Herrera. So, who's talking? What's that? Oh, she wants to pay. Okay, now let's continue. Here in Manila Ocean Park, you got 6 South America. Adrian Herrera, Santa's talking with you. What's that? What's that? Oh, Santa said
Yung gun.
there's
Yung
one
gun.
more gazing object. Okay, to be sure, let me ask Getty. Hey, Getty, is there one more? No more? Okay, to be fair with you guys, let me ask the audience. Hey kids, folks, is there one more?
Yes.
Oh, there it is. Oh, you look so sad. Hey, Sandra, that's bad, girl. Read that. Okay, if there's one more, please tell me again, what's that missing object, say? Any idea, guys?
Gun.
Oh, what's that, Sandra? Hey, gone, is that right? Well, I think we got a mission. The search for that missing toy gun. Kapow. Wow. Don. And you see the Don, guys? Adrian O'Hara. And just talking to again. What's that? What's that? You found it? Well, go ahead and you prove it. So, what did you get? You time to find a gun? Let's just wait for Sandra, girl. Sandra, where are you? Come out for everyone. Ah, there she is. Well, lovely, round of applause for Sandra. Great job, Sandra. You did well. Oh, yeah, don't be sad. It's okay, girl. Okay, how about another round of applause for Jenny? Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Oh, Sandra, don't be sad. It's okay. Okay, how about another round of applause for our United Friends? Okay, are you good now, ladies? Okay, now we